Bruno Mars. Just the Way You Are. 3-chord song there. But we're going to make it easier with a little cheat. Where are you? You're over there. Right. These gold bars are called frets. Nanu nanu. From your nanu nanu, we're going to take this finger. I'll show it that way so it's not rude. This one. 5th string here. So these are the thick strings down the bottom. And then this finger here, 6th string beyond the 3rd. Aim to hit probably just the first 2, maybe 3, that's fine. Don't worry about this hand, just have a little blah 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 blah. Another one you're going to need for this particular song, it's what I've just showed you, but you're moving each finger down. So that moves down to the 4th string and that moves down to the 5th string. I'm only using these 2 fingers still, my nanu nanus. And all I'm playing here is just, see both, look. If you can try and get yourself used to these 2 little chords, it's only using 2 fingers. Now I'll show you the only other chord in this Bruno Mars song is 5th string, 5th string even, behind the 2nd fret, and you tuck this finger just underneath, both behind the 2nd fret. So you're covering the 5th string and the 4th string here. And again, you're still only playing these low strings. Now it sounds complicated maybe, but they're the only 3 you'll need. And if you can get your head round those, G, C, I'll show you the whole chord in time, but we don't need it for now. G, C, get in the bowl, and E minor. Doesn't matter what order you play these in, the best thing you can do is learn how to remember without having to go back to my rubbish video. And if you can remember by yourself, then practice playing them all in different orders, because that will help you in the long run. So any order, they're all going to be a bit fiddly. Doesn't matter how many times you strum here, okay, because the idea is just to get used to your left hand, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you could do that if you like, or you can just play it once, wait till you get your fingers in position and play it again. If you find that it's sounding a bit like that, there's a few things to check. You check that you're actually using your fingertips, not the top part of your finger, but it has to be your fingertip. The other thing to check is you're putting your fingers as close to the fret, which is again these gold bars. So if you're playing behind the 2nd gold bar, make sure it's as close to the gold bar, the fret, as possible, but you don't want to be touching it. Make sure you're pressing down on just the strings you want to use. Sometimes this part of the finger falls onto the other string and it mutes it a little bit. So try to make sure that your fingertips are only covering the strings you want to play. You've probably stopped watching by now, and I don't blame you at all. Right, anyway, so Bruno Mars, Just the Way You Are. I don't actually know how it goes yet, truth be told, but I've got the gist of it. I have heard it, I just have to learn it myself. But there's 3 chords for you to get on with while I get on with my part. And when I learn how it goes properly, I'll show you which order the chords can go in. Beautiful too. Well, guitar lesson 1. Ruby, 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 Ruby. Out.